Dear viewers and learners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online class of Jamalpur Govt Girls High School. How are you, my dear students? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. For your betterment, the school authority has opened online class. I hope you all are enjoying this class very well and you will be benefited from this class. Okay, dear students, I have come here to take a class of class 7 on English second paper. Before starting your lesson, let me introduce myself. This is speaking Shamsun Nahar, Assistant Teacher English, Jamalpur Govt Girls High School. Okay, dear students, our school authority has opened this class for your betterment. So, you have to enjoy this class regularly and share with your friends so that they can enjoy this class. And if you follow this class, you must be benefited, obviously. So, enjoy the class regularly. Dear students, you know, I have taken your class on transformation of sentence. Today's class is third part of transformation. I have discussed some important rules on transformation of sentence. Now I am discuss about transformation of sentence part 3, transformation of sentence without changing meaning. Okay, students, you know, when you have to change any sentence without changing meaning, you have to remember some important words and its opposite words. At first, I am writing some important words on the blackboard. You watch it carefully and write them on your khata. Now, let's see and write the word. Main word and opposite word. When you change affirmative to negative without changing meaning, you need to know the following words. Good, bad, punctual, late, active, lazy, hate, love, like, dislike, happy, unhappy, honest, dishonest, moral, immoral, mortal, immortal. Present, absent. Always, never. Wise, foolish. Sometimes, not always. Admit, deny. Obey, disobey. Please, displease. Pleasant, okay, dear students, there are also many words and its opposite words. I am writing quite words. Now watch it. Good, bad, punctual, late, active, lazy, hate, love, like, dislike, happy, unhappy, honest, dishonest, moral, immoral, mortal, immortal, present, absent, always, never, wise, foolish, sometimes, not always, admit, deny, obey, disobey, please, displease, pleasant, unpleasant. There are also words. Now, see, I am writing some examples of these roles and see how you can change negative to interrogative, negative to affirmative to negative without changing meaning. Man is mortal. You should obey your teachers. I shall always remember you. You are my friend. Journey is always pleasure to me. Now, dear students, look at the sentence. You have to change the sentence in the negative form. I have discussed when any sentence has auxiliary verb, when you have to change its negative, we use not after auxiliary verb. But here we use not after auxiliary verb and opposite word. Now the answer is the sentence negative. Man is not immortal. Next sentence, obey. You should not the opposite word of obey, disobey. Obey your teachers. Next sentence, I shall always remember you. Here the answer will be I shall never forget you. And number 4, you are not my foe. The opposite word of friend, foe. And last, journey is never unpleasant to me. Dear students, notice it. When you have to change any affirmative sentence into negative without changing meaning, you must follow the rules. You must use not and the opposite word of the sentence. Now, I repeat it again. Man is mortal. Man is not immortal. The opposite word of mortal is immortal. You should obey your teachers. I use obey, the opposite word obey, disobey. You should not disobey your teachers. Next sentence, I shall always remember you. The opposite word of always, never, and the opposite word of remember, forget. Next, you are my friend. The opposite word of friend is foe. And last, journey is always pleasure to me. Here, the opposite word of always, never, and the opposite word of pleasure, unpleasant. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand the sentence. Can't you? Next, let's go to the next rules. When any sentence has only, if it indicates a person, we use none but before the subject. And if only indicates anything, when we use nothing but in the middle of the sentence. And when only indicates age or number, then we use not more than and not less than. Okay, only none but person and thing is changed, nothing but, and only means age or number. We can use not more than and not less than. Okay, dear students, now follow some examples. Only Allah can help us. The baby has only few toys. And number 3, the man is only 20 years old. Now here you notice that the first sentence, only Allah can help us, it indicates Allah. So here we use none but before Allah. The baby has only few toys. Toys means something, and here we use nothing but. And the man is only 20 years. Here only indicates 20 years. That means number. Here we use is not more than and not less than. None but Allah can help us. Next, the baby has nothing but few toys. And then the man is not more than or less than 20 years old. Okay, dear students, can you understand the sentences? I repeat it again. Only Allah can help us. We use none but. Only is omitted and we add none but before Allah. None but Allah can help us. Next sentence, the baby has only few toys. Toys means something. And here I use the baby has nothing but few toys. And then the man is only 20 years old. Here only indicates number. So I have used here is not more than or less than 20 years old. Okay, dear students, can't you understand the rules? Now let's go to the next rules. Dear students, you know when any sentence has every, then its sentence is changed into negative. Instead of every we use there is no. Here the structure will be 3 types. Number 1, there is no plus x work instead of every plus but plus main verb and extension. The structure, there is no plus x word plus who doesn't main verb and extension. The structure number 3, no plus x word after instead every opposite word or verb. There, three structure will be used when any sentence has every before beginning the sentence. Now, I write example on the blackboard. You see and watch it. Every body likes flower. The negative form of this sentence, three categories. Number 1, there is nobody but likes flower. Here I use the first structure, and there is no body who does not like flower. And the structure of number 3, no body dislike flower. Here we can use 3 types of structures. When any sentence has every, body, every, one and all. The answer of the sentence, everybody likes flower. There is nobody but likes flower. Here I use the first structure. There is nobody who does not like flower. Here I use second structure, and nobody dislikes flower. Here I use the structure of number 3. Okay, dear students, can you understand the rules? Now I am going to next rules. If any sentence has the auxiliary verb must, then we have to change the sentence. Instead of must, we use cannot but or cannot help. Must, cannot, but or cannot help. When we use cannot help, the next verb is added with ing. Here, notice some examples. You must respect your elder. The answer of the sentence: you cannot but respect your elder. Here I also use second structure. Then the answer will be of the sentence: you cannot help. Next verb is respect. Respecting your elder. Okay, dear students, understand the rules. If any sentence has must, we have to change it into negative form, cannot but or cannot help. When we use cannot help, we must use ing after the verb of must. Next, go to the rules. Next rules: when any sentence has many or much, then I use in the negative form a few or a little. Many, a few or a little. Many indicates countable noun and much indicates uncountable noun. We know it and we have learned it before. Now see example. The girl has many books. Here book is countable noun, so the answer will be the girl has not a few books. See the example. She needs much money. Here the answer will be she does not need a little money. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand how we can change affirmative to negative without changing meaning. Now let's go to the next rule, how we can change assertive to interrogative. You know, when a sentence is affirmative, it will be changed into interrogative and negative. And when any sentence is negative, its interrogative will be only affirmative. Here are some rules. In case of universal truth, it must be negative interrogative. I never drink tea. The sentence is negative, but the answer of this question of interrogative must be affirmative. Do I ever drink tea? If any sentence has everybody, everyone, all, that we use who, doesn't, don't, didn't in case of interrogative. Everybody dislike a liar. The answer will be who doesn't dislike a liar. And C, none can deny the truth. The answer will be who can deny the truth. As the sentence is negative, the answer will be affirmative. Who can deny the truth? If any sentence is universal truth, health is wealth. The answer of the sentence isn't health is wealth. Now, dear students, I am trying to describe the rules of transformation sentence step by step. I hope you can understand the topics very well. If you try to practice it regularly, you must do well in the exam, and you must share it with your friends. They must be do well in the exam. Today I would like to finish these topics, and next class I would like to discuss verb plus agreement. Okay, dear students, see you later again next class. Thank you very much.